to make song mashups, online free using AudioCleaner AI. Are you looking for a way to create unique tracks, but find professional software too difficult? AudioCleaner AI is your ultimate solution. It is a powerful song mashup maker online that allows you to make song mashups for free. Check the link in the description to follow along. Step 1. Upload your tracks. Click My Device and upload at least 2 audio files to create your mix. The tool is highly flexible and supports standard formats like MP3 and WAV. You can upload up to 10 audio files at a time. Step 2. Customize your sound. Once uploaded, click Audio Equalizer to enter the advanced editing dashboard. Here you can adjust the BPM to sync the tempo. Use the equalizer to tweak the low, mid, and high frequencies, or apply a filter and adjust the volume for each track individually. Step 3. Generate the mashup. When you finished your settings, just hit the Mashup Song button. Our AI will analyze the rhythm and energy of your tracks to generate a perfectly blended final result in seconds. Thanks to this song mashup maker, different songs can be perfectly aligned and blended into one professional-sounding track. Due to copyright issues, the results are not shown here. Please try it yourself. We recommend not using copyrighted content for commercial purposes. AudioCleaner AI assumes no responsibility for any such use. Stop wasting hours on complex editing. With AudioCleaner AI, you can make song mashups in seconds. Visit the website in the description to start your first mix for free today. Don't forget to hit the like button and follow us for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.